Spending more on ads but still not seeing more leads? That's a common trap. Most people assume the fix is simple. Just raise your ad budget. But here is the truth. If your funnel is broken, more spend means more waste. So today we are breaking down how to generate more leads without spending a single penny more. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Rahul Parashar, founder of Credofy Solutions. In the last 12 years, we have helped more than 1,000 businesses grow faster, spend smarter, and convert more. And the best part, we don't get paid until you see your revenue grow. Look, it's not about more money, it's about better targeting, sharper messaging, and frictionless fun. And the misstep, we see it all the time, especially in real estate. It's like running the same ad to completely different buyers. First-time buyers, overseas investors, and retirees, all seeing the same message, even though what they care about is totally different. And when no one feels seen, no one clicks. But here is the good news. Fixing your ads so they actually bring in real client is not as hard as it sounds. There are few simple changes you can make today to make sure every pound you spend on ads is driving real results. And here is what makes the difference. The three things worth focusing on this are fixing your targeting, match the messaging to their mindset, restructure the funnel and flow. So let's start with first, fixing your targeting. Ask yourself, are you targeting buyers who are ready now or people still browsing? Because those are two very different groups. And when we worked with a real estate brand recently, we split their targeting in three user personas. First, passive investors. So they are just curious investors who are looking and exploring things out. Then you have serious investors who are comparing options, right? And visiting your competitor sites. And then they are ready to go investors. They are looking to act, right? And they are looking to make action right away. So we created tailored messaging for each one. Same ad spend, 2x the amount of leads. And to help you implement all this in your business, we have put together a free funnel kit packed with real examples, plug and play copy tweaks, and landing page formula that converts more without increasing your ad spend. You will find the link in the description. So let's continue to the next step. Your ad might look great, but if it says find your dream investor to someone who is still figuring out if property is even right for them, it's noise, not value. So what actually works, right? Messaging that mirrors their stage. So first is curiosity. You have to post educational content. Second comes the comparison. You have to post social proof in case studies and how you are better than your competitors. The final is ready. You have to have a strong CTA which have some sort of urgency. It's about meeting people where they are. You are not selling property, you are selling a result. Generate £8,000 passive income with Manchester flat. Beat inflation with this recession resilient investment. Hassle-free handover, free stamp duty, and no agents. That's what resonates because it speaks to the fear, desire, and the outcomes. Even with the great messaging, if the funnel is clunky, you will still lose the lead. So how to fix that? We'll speak about it next. Here is most funnel fall apart. The journey from click to conversion doesn't match how people actually buy. We rebuilt one client's funnel using real buyer psychology. The first, as I talked about, is the awareness phase, where you're going to post educational content and visual to spark curiosity. The second comes the consideration, right? You need to have retargeted testimonials, webinars, and guides. Then comes the conversion. So your landing page should be full of urgency and objection handling built in. Again, same ad budget, higher ROI. Because now every step actually makes sense to the buyer. We saw this play out recently with a client spending £20,000 per month. Traffic was there, but the leads were weak. We didn't touch the budget. We just restructured the experience. Here's what we did. Rewrote the entire landing page to match the each buyer persona. Added find your ideal investment quick form as an entry point. Layered in trust triggers like reviews, video case studies, and FAQs. Replaced the dull form with a free investor guide. The results, lead quality is up by 52% in 30 days. Same budget, better structure, more conversions. So if you're listening and thinking I need more leads, ask yourself, do you have a budget problem or it's a buyer journey problem? Because 9 out of 10 times it's a journey. And the fix doesn't require a full overhaul, just smarter moves. Speak to one person, not everyone. Sell outcome, not the product. And build trust before asking for action. We have pulled all this together in a free funnel kit. You can start making changes right away. In this kit, you will get real examples, plug and play copy tweaks, and landing page formulas to convert more without spending more. The link is in the description if you want to create a winning landing page for your business. And if you're struggling and would prefer a personal audit for your funnel, just comment down below, fix my funnel along with your site URL landing page, and we'll send you a custom video with the easiest two high impact fixes you can implement right away to increase your conversion rate. Keep growing and enjoy life.